In this lesson, we are building a fun underwater game where a crab catches a falling starfish. As we code, I will also explain what each block does. Step 1. Create a new project. Open PictoBlox and click New File. Select Block Coding. Step 2. Choose a backdrop. Click Choose a backdrop. Select an underwater backdrop. Step 3. Add sprites. Click Choose a sprite. Add a crab. Then add a starfish. Step 4. Delete the default sprite. Right-click on Toby and click Delete. Now your stage is ready. Now let's code the crab. Step 5. Select the crab sprite. Click on the crab icon. Step 6. Add the start event. Go to Events, drag when flag clicked. This block starts the program when the green flag is clicked. Step 7. Set the starting position. Go to Motion, add go to X minus 100, Y minus 150. This block places the crab at a fixed starting position on the stage. The X value controls left and right movement, and the Y value controls up and down. Step 8. Set the size. Go to Looks, add Set Size to 120%. This block changes the size of the sprite. Here we make the crab bigger so it is easier to catch the starfish. Step 9. Move crab left. Go to Events, add when left arrow key pressed. Go to Motion, add Change X by minus 10. This block changes the X position. A negative value moves the sprite to the left. Step 10. Move crab right. Add when right arrow key pressed. Add Change X by 10. A positive value moves the sprite to the right. Test your crab movement now. Press the arrow keys. Now let's code the starfish. Step 11. Select the starfish sprite. Click on the starfish. Step 12. Set start event. Add when flag clicked. Step 13. Set position. Add go to X0, Y 140. This places the starfish at the top of the screen so it can fall down. Step 14. Set size. Go to Looks, add Set Size to 80%. This makes the starfish smaller than the crab. Step 15. Make it fall. Go to Control, add a forever block. Inside it, add Change Y by minus 5. This block continuously reduces the Y value, making the starfish move downward. Step 16. Slow the fall. Add wait 0.1 seconds. This slows down the movement so it looks smooth and natural. Now let's detect when the crab catches the starfish. Step 17. Add sensing condition. Add an if-then block inside the forever loop. Go to Sensing, add touching crab. This block checks if the starfish is touching the crab. It returns true if they touch. Step 18. Add reaction. Inside the if block, go to Motion, add glide 0.5 second to X, Y. Go to Operators, add pick random minus 200 to 200 for X. Add pick random 50 to 150 for Y. Pick random selects a random position. This makes the starfish reappear at different places each time. Step 19. Detect edge. Add another if then block. Add touching edge. This checks if the starfish reaches the edge of the stage. Step 20. Stop the game. Inside the if block, add stop all. This block stops all scripts and ends the game. Now test your game. Click the green flag. Move the crab and catch the falling starfish. Great job!